Welcome back to my channel. So, today, this is first vlog of mine as a grade 12 student, senior high school student. And pasensya na if I didn't get to film, some get ready with me. Kasi wala. Yay, I'm ready though. Mamaya, it's actually 8:30 and bihis na ako. May OOTD for today. Suot ko na yung ID nung grade 11. I'm actually planning to buy yung ganito. Tawag dito. ID holder. Since madumi na siya. It's normal. Castelton. Oh! Ano pa bang sasabihin ko? Wait. So, here's my bag and what I'm gonna bring for today. Hindi ako magdadala ng notebook. I actually want to bring a mini notebook. Pero hindi na siya kasya. Hi, Ming. So, ito sa glasses ko to. What are you looking at? Ha? Tingnan nyo. Oh, diba? That's Tiger. Yan yung tawag ni Mama sa kanya. Tiger. Because his legs have stripes like a tiger. He's a stray cat na pinapakain namin because he's so cute. Anyways, glasses, some girl things, wallet, alcohol of course, makeup, mini makeup pouch, earbuds, mirror, nasira na, and then ball pens, keys. Yung mga grade 12 student noon, like nung grade 11 ako, yung mga grade 12 student noon na college na ngayon, iba sa kanila nagsabi na first day of school may oral. Kung meron man, okay, sige. Hindi makasagot, sige. A lang tayo ng A. Mag-vlog ka? Ako sa... Maula man siya. A na lang ang grade 12 guys. A na lang. Kita na pala natin. Hari. Baka pressure man pero like kita may superior siya. May mata. Gol. Dada, buket. Cherry on top na lang. Paano mag-login? A na lang. A ang first day of school. Uy, Hugo. Ano yan? Wala na parang wifi. Courage. Beijing. Nag-vlog na po ng vlogger na ra. Hoy, ayaw ko. Ka-favorite vlogger na ba ko?
Ay, active na yan.
I'm Binnie Stacy.
Hi, I'm Binigit.
Sakit kayo ang page nga akong basa guys. Ang title tayo, How the People We Once Loved Become Strangers Again. Relate ka? Hulo?
Hindi.
Hulo ko?
Muriak, guys. Grabe, basta dahil dapat dahil experience. Kariwasaan. Abundance.
Kasariwaan, bro.
Kariwasaan. Oh, sama gani. Kariwasaan.
The way she said it.
Kariwasaan. Oh.
Kasariwaan.
Kasi Kariwasa. 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 Ano ko ng dictionary yun? Bisaya kigaksin mo. Accelerator.
Lagi, uy.
Accelerator.
Kariwasaan na lagi na.
Ako yun. May guba ang libro din.
No, nung sa... Tanawa ako mo rin sandwich.
Lagi?
Vlogger. Vlogger, hello vlogger. Posting mo siya eh.
This is the manners you need to learn.
101 essays that will change the way you think, but this is the author. Author ni
I feel so honored. I feel like the first honor. The valedictorian, the salutatorian, the librarian.
I became more productive. And that's why my back hurts so much.
May descendants ba? Tanong mo descendants. Dili ako.
Rising Red. Hindi ako ganahan sa ko.
Nagtanong ako sa The Rise of Red. Okay man siya.
And emotion.
Isabaw mo. Sa kanin.
There's that other sex.
Nakirublock? Ano ka na? Paano to? Sorry. Saan ni pag-back? Di ni ma-back.
Dili mo ba? Ala! Hi guys.
Ko ano sa ta ko rublock. Ana dami magdula ka nang tulo. Ay send na lang ako ni Benya.
So our advisor advised.
Send na ako.
Malamang advisor gani.
Kung Serenity ba or
Our advisor
like
advised to
Veronica, something. Yaw man siya. Uy. Ano yan?
Our advisor advised to
Sleep?
make us speak in English. But I can't.
Guys, serious. Ano?
I'm not used. No, I'm not a vlogger anymore. Ew.
I'm not kabataan anymore. I'm not a vlogger anymore. Di, ano ko siya? I'm not a vlogger anymore. Hindi universal.
Please speak in English.
Okay. I'm
Okay.
silent now.
It is advisable because our advisor said that it is mandatory for us
Well, yes.
this school year. Okay.
Yes, because our urinary system. Urine is a yellow fluid made in the body.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. Uterus.
Uterus.
No, uterus. Uterus.
Uterus.
Uterus.
Menstrual.
Kidney.